All right, let's talk about a banjo tune, Big Sciota. So it's in the key of G, usually. So we're gonna get in G. Make sure you're in the key of G. So that's a D. A G. A B. And a D. Should sound like that. All right, let's see here. So, got a pen, got a piece of paper with Big Sciota on it. I don't know if that says Big Sciota or not. It's in the key of G, so we know the first chord is probably going to be G. So that could be just G. Sounds pretty good with a D there. So. Okay, so it's just those two things, G to D. Hold G. And when it hits that highest note in the so far of this tune, we hit the C. It doesn't matter, we're not counting, we're just going with the melody. So if you think about it in like units, the G and the D is a unit that's used 3 times. And then there's like a G note that's done for that unit of time, and then there's the C note for that unit of time. And the unit of time is the G to D. That's one. That's one. That's one. That's one. So it's 4. It's 8 of those. That's the A part, okay? Okay, we're learning the underlying structure, because if you know this, you'll be able to play it. And if you ever get lost, you'll know where you are. So we work our way up. So that's the A part. Let's do it again. 1, 2, ready. Sing. Okay. So we want to be singing, because if we can sing it, if it's in our body, it'll be in the banjo. So let's go to the B part. So da 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 da. So what works with that? Let's try the C. Da 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 da. No. Da 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 da. Let's try the D. Da da. Ooh yeah. Do 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 do. Do do do. Da, 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 da. That's the D. That's where the note is. Do, 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 do. So it sounds like a C. Do, 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 do. But there's like a descending thing, so I think I should flatten that. And so now that puts us in an E minor. That's what the melody's telling us to do. Da, 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 da. There's this. Okay, cool. So the C was there when it comes back up, and the way the melody goes, it sort of darkens and then it brightens. So the B part, E minor, then to C, C, G, to D. Just so one of those core units, you know. It's like it's almost like a tonal center. I know like people talk about tonal centers differently across different kinds of music, but you know, jazz has its own thing, and modal tunes change their tonal centers. And I think that this is what that means, is that there's this home and away. The home is G and the away is D. And so there's that exile and return that happens in this tune. And then what really gives it a cool turnaround is that E minor to the C. And just meditate on that. The E minor to the C, what are the tones there? And then we can start to think about, if we want to, what they mean in the key and stuff like that. E minor is the 6 minor of the key of G. Usually it's 1, 4, 5. In old time, most tones are 1 and 5, but sometimes they throw in a 3, sometimes they throw in a 6, sometimes a 7, but most of the time it's just 1, 4, and 5, G, C, and D. But this one has a 6. All right, so let's look at the B part one more time. Okay, so that's just G, 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 D, D, and walk down to E minor. E minor to C, G, D, G. Okay? So then, once we are really comfortable with that, this is the steps. Okay, so you want to get comfortable with changing the chords with the melody by singing it. This is the first step. Eventually, this will become quick and second nature to you. I can't say I'm there yet myself, but I am able to communicate more these days as I think about music in this way. So we go, the first step is to be able to sing it with the chords and just changing the chords as they make sense in the melody. Do it again. B part. E minor. C. Alright, so it's now 8 minutes, 42 seconds. Go back and do that part that we just did until it is like second nature, okay? If it takes you 3 days to do it, that's fine. If it takes you 2 weeks to do it, that's fine. Just take a minute, pause it, get that totally in your body, okay? If you can do that, I promise you what comes next will become so much easier. Okay, so let's go. We're doing the lead part now, but you have to have, if you want to do it my way, do it whatever you want. You can just play lead if you want to, but this is what works for me. And it's really paying off in terms of being able to play with other musicians. So, it's pretty much, that's all on first and third. So hammer on second fret, fourth string, and then you hit on the third string. So it's hit once on the fourth string to hammer on the second, like this, and then you're striking down on the third string. open. So you're getting 3 notes for the price of 2 hits. So that's all right here on the 2nd fret of these 2 strings. So that's all in here, and then on the 2nd string. So I think you can figure that out. That's all on the 3rd string. And then here's the nice big fat C chord. So the melody is actually kind of like rumbling along, just like in the low part of the register, and then it goes boom, this nice. Okay, so you get that. And then what you need is just a little tag to finish it. So I'm just hitting the open bottom string. Just a bum ditty. So I'm doing, that's actually like a pretty lazy tag, but I use it all the time. Bum ditty, and then that's a drop thumb. This is the good one if you're new to drop thumb. And then you're hitting fretted 3rd string at the 2nd, 3rd string 2nd fret. That's a lick you need to memorize. That movement. So it's a bum ditty, drop thumb to 3rd string 2nd fret, open. Okay? So okay. I'm gonna check my tuning. Why don't you check yours? D, G, B, D, and a big G up here. Okay. So let's just go back. We're gonna kind of loop back and just double check where we are with the backing. So. And then we can kind of mix them. I'll play it straight through, and then I'll kind of like bring in some more chords. Okay. And then if you want to, you can kind of stray up to the 5th fret here. Okay. Another cool lick. See that double thumb, drop thumb? And you can even triplify it, I think. Okay, or make it however you want, but that's the melody. There, you can make it higher, you could harmonize it, you could simplify it, you could complexify it. But make sure you're staying in those chords and that you're driving it. 'Cause that's what the banjo brings, is a drive. It's not lagging behind, it's not hesitant, it's sort of like jumping around gleefully within the rhythm. Okay, and so the B part starts at the 5th fret here. So these are common notes in this tuning. These three, 5, 7, 9. So just practice that. Let's see. So you're kind of finishing on like a 3 out of 4 bar. 1, 2, 3. And that's the 5 chord, isn't it? Here's the 1 chord, here's the 4 chord, here's the 5 chord. So 5, 7, 9, 5, and then you're just striking. The note is supposed to be the 2nd string, but I think you just strike anywhere on that chord as long as it sounds good. So it's bum diddy, bum diddy. Okay, again. What is it here? There's something here. So there's a cool rhythm thing. There it is. So get that kind of shuffle going, all right? So just get that down. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 5, 7, 9, then back to 1. So get that as a little dance step. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7. So then the first part is, so once you have that dance step down, then you can get this one. So it's still holding that bar at 7. This is kind of like really melodic chord stuff. So 5 to 7, and then this is the 9. So, and then you jump way back and land on the A minor. You can do that a bum diddy or a drop thumb or a double thumb. So get that part down. Then get this part. Get those separately done perfectly, and then put them together. So get each of those parts done, just pause and go back. Okay, and then here's the end part, my favorite part. You go up to the 5th fret. It's not quite a Galax lick, because you're not snagging it with your thumb. So to walk down from 5, 4, 2. 5, 4, 2, pull off, and then strike on the 2nd string. it's so fun. Ah. 5, 4, 2, pull off second string. And then that, hear how tension that is? And it desires to be released into the C. Back to that. If you want, you can go into the settings on this little thing and you can slow it down, and it'll slow me down, but the pitch will stay the same, which is awesome. So you can just work these licks. All right, I'm gonna play it all the way through, and you can use that that little slow down mechanism if you want to. Here we go, A part, B part. I'll play it through twice, and the second time through will be pretty loose. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. Something like that. And so I think I didn't tell you about one part of the B part. Oh, I did. All right, go back, watch it, clip that little part, and you can just repeat it and slow it down. But get each little part, starting with the chords. Sometimes I'll play a tune that I know really well, and I will play it the first time through, just getting the sense of the chords, because you're kind of reminding your body of like what it's capable of. And you know, we need reminding.